Hi everyone, welcome to True Gorge Stoves and Spas. I'm Chris, and I want to talk to you about your mini split that you may have in your home. Maybe we installed it, or maybe it was in the home when you first purchased it. And there's some maintenance to it that you will typically do yourself. The filter on the unit itself, you would open up that front flap and pull out the filters and maybe take them over to your sink and rinse them off, put them back in. And that's a regular thing that you want to keep up on. Now behind the filter is a coil that also will get dirty over time. There is also a blower wheel within that air handler, is what we call it. And that's always moving your room air through the coil. Well, I guess first it goes through the filter that you're clean, and then it goes through the coil, and then back into the room. And that blower wheel is very susceptible to moisture that's in the air inside your home. And so mildew, mold can build up on that blower wheel and get so bad that it begins to affect how the blower wheel turns and the energy it takes to turn that, and you'll start noticing less and less air movement through that unit. And the results are, it may not cool your home or it may not heat your home. So it's really important that we come in and we do a deep cleaning on that unit inside the home, as well as the outdoor unit on your home. That also has a coil set in there that will get dirty, and we can do a deep cleaning on that. Now, depending on how it's used, how many occupants are in the home, how many pets, a common question we get is frequency. How often should we be doing that deep cleaning? And the answer is once a year, and sometimes it can go a little longer if, say, one of those air handlers are in the guest bedroom and you rarely ever use that bedroom. That unit may not need a deep cleaning once a year. But the others, the outdoor unit and the main indoor unit, or I guess any of the units that get used a lot, will get dirty and will need a deep cleaning. So we offer that service, and if you would like us to come in and get that cleaned for you, give our office a call and we can get you scheduled. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you later.